The average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 17. What is the largest number? So, isolve natin ito in two ways. So, yung isa gagamitan ng algebra at yung pangalawa naman ay yung shortcut. Okay? So, first solution, gamitan natin ng algebra. So, we have the average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 17. So, mag-assign lang tayo ng variable para sa 4 consecutive even numbers. So, let x be the first even number. So if x is the first even number, the second even number will be x plus 2 because the difference of even numbers is 2. Okay? So the third even number should be x plus 4, and then the fourth even number is x plus 6. Now let's use the formula for the average. So the formula for average is x bar is equal to summation of x over n. Okay? So we just need to substitute all these even numbers, first, second, third, and fourth to this formula. We get the total and then divide by n. N is equal to 4 because we have 4 consecutive even numbers. So just solve the mean. Okay, we have the value of mean. The average is 17. So we will solve the value of x. Okay? So given the value of mean is 17, so therefore we have 17 is equal to, add the four numbers. So these are the four numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so therefore we have x plus 2 plus the third number, x plus 4, plus the fourth number, we have x plus 6. And then we will divide this by 4 because we have 4 even numbers. And then the quotient of this is equal to 17. Okay, so we can now solve for x. So we can cross multiply or multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator 4 to cancel the denominator. Okay, so 4 times 17, so that is equal to 4 times 7, we have 28. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2, so we have 68 is equal to, we can now cancel the 4 and then combine the x. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4x plus, add the numbers. So we have 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6, plus 6, so we have 12. Now we can solve for the value of x, subtract 12 on both sides. So cancel the 12. So we have 4x is equal to 68 minus 12, that is equal to 56. Finally, divide both sides by 4. So we can cancel the 4. Therefore, the value of x is 56 divided by 4. So just divide manually. 56 divided by 4, we have 5 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract, we have 1, bring down 6. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So therefore, the first even number is equal to 14. The second, 14 plus 2, so we have 16. The third is 18, and then the fourth is 20. So we are looking for the largest number. What is the largest number? The largest number is 20. The correct answer is letter C, 20. Okay, so another solution, we can use the shortcut formula for this. If we have given the average of 4 consecutive even numbers. So if the numbers are consecutive even, that means the average 17 is in the middle of the four numbers. So if the 17 is the average, that means the four numbers, even numbers are 16, 18, 20, and 14. 17 is in the middle. Okay? So this is just the shortcut. So the largest number automatic is 20. So that's the shortcut if the average is in the middle of the four consecutive even numbers. So no need to solve this. The largest number is 20, letter C. Follow for more.